Hey guys, today I have received my Ipsy Plus, which is a skincare and makeup monthly subscription. It's just under $30 with free shipping. You receive 5 full-size products, 3 you choose. Ipsy chooses 2 based on your profile. There is also a small bag for $13 with 5 sample-size products. Sometimes there's 1 full-size in it, and there's also a Glamex, which is 8 plus full-size products, and that is just quarterly for $59. My bag was a little late. This is February 2022 Valentine bag, and I just love it. It's super cute. All right, so the first item that I'm pulling out of the bag is something that I ordered with my points. You earn points when you rate your products, you review the products, or people sign up for Ipsy. So this was 600 points, and I just really thought the colors were pretty, and there's a black, so excited to try that. Okay, so pulling out the next item, it looks like a Wild Windflower Violet Voss fun-sized palette. So this must be, I became annual, a month or so ago, and this must be the gift you get because this is not part of my bag. Absolutely beautiful palette. Look at those shades. I love those shades too, those rosy colors and a little bit of shimmer in there. Beautiful. I just think that I probably have several of similar colors. I'm not sure if I have a Violet Voss, so not sure what I'm going to do with this one, but yeah, that is a absolutely beautiful palette. Okay, so on to the items that are actually in my bag this month. So this is Lucky Chick Moisturizing Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Bubbly. This has a retail of $20. It's 5.5 milliliters. It's full size, moisturizing. It has rose hip seed oil, jojoba, some coffee. What does it have? Coffee seed oil, something extract. Sorry, I can't read that. And shimmer tint, vegan and cruelty-free. And I put a little bit on my hand or actually on my lips even, and it's a little tacky, but it's has a beautiful shine, so I actually do like it. All right, so pulling out the next is the 111 Skin Cryo Pre-Activated Toning Cleanser. This was my choice. This retails $70, 120 milliliters, a 2-in-1 formula. It washes and tones, it's cruelty-free, and it will exfoliate the pores. So you have the energizing ribose, and it transforms into a milky texture to give you a moisture balance. It has pomegranate extract, which exfoliates. It has Tego Natural Betaine, which is a natural amino acid from sugar beet, which will nourish. And then the ribose will stimulate the synthesis of ATP to increase cell metabolic activity. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, so the next is the Yenza Beauty. This retails $48. It's a 1.7 ounce face cream. Anti-aging moisturizer, contains antioxidant-rich pink lotus extract and firming peptides to help brighten smooth, red, and crepey skin. It is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The 8 Pink Essence. So there's pink lotus, peony, rose, cherry blossom. I can barely see that. Is it Eserol cherry, chamomile, Korean black raspberry, and pomegranate? That sounds really nice. All right, so this here is the card. It says Full Hearts, and it talks a little bit about Fenty. So Rihanna's iconic brand is coming to Ipsy for $49.99. Valued at over $170. Starting March 1st, you're able to get that. And then in the middle, it's just how to support Black entrepreneurs this month. So nothing about the actual products that are in the bag, though. So okay, so on to the next. This is Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Retails $50, 30 milliliters. And it has pineapple, watermelon, green tea extract. It will help fade hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and acne. And this is vegan and cruelty-free serum. Okay, so the last item is the brand Terra de Mars. This is a Variance Eye Contour. It retails for $25, 15 milliliter, of course, full size. The hero ingredient is actually coffee, so it will help boost circulation and depuff the bags and minimize dark circles. Rich antioxidants, has the fatty acid. It will help smooth, protect your delicate eye skin. It is vegan and cruelty-free, and it's all natural coffee. All right, so these are all the products that I do receive in my bag this month. They do retail $213, and I did pay $29. The Terre de Mars Variance Eye Contour Cream is $25. The Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster is $50. The 111 Skin Face Wash Toner is $70. The Pink Lotus Face Cream was $48. And then, of course, the Lucky Chick Lip Gloss is $20. So it's a total of $213 if you did buy them individually. So what do you think? Good bag, lousy bag, so-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.